Hi there and welcome to my beginner's oil painting video. Today we are going to try and paint a cat in oil paints. In this beginner's painting I would like to put an emphasis on painting in layers. I've noticed that many beginners only work in one layer and are frustrated when there is no depth to their work. You can see I started this painting with a dark brown layer. I first map out all the dark features such as the eyes, the nose and the mouth area with black paint, and I then fill in the white space where the fur is going to be with dark brown. After I finished painting in the first initial brown layer, I came back to the painting the next day when everything was dry and began putting down the more familiar base colour layers. Hopefully you can see how this dark undertone brown colour will sit below my fur details and achieve depth when painting in with the layers. I made sure to create the underlayer mixed in with a fair amount of liquid so that it dried in time for me to start working on it again the next day. Be sure to keep a variation of brushes, larger ones for large areas and smaller ones for the details. Rigger brushes are also very handy when it comes to painting fur as they hold a lot of paint for a lot longer compared to the short bristles. When painting the fur details on top now, you can see that you want the base colour layers a bit darker than what the highlighted fur details on top are going to be, so that they stand out and you achieve depth in your painting. I also have all the materials used for this painting listed in the video description. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to get back to them as soon as possible. For the body, I blocked in the colour with a large brush as I did with the face, remembering that the tones have to be darker than the detailed fur highlights that would sit on top. I then used my rigger brush to create these short lines that would allow some of the dark undertones to come through as I saw in the reference photo. I'll let the rest of the video play, so I hope you enjoy the rest of my painting process. Please remember to check out the descriptions for any useful information and all the materials I used for this painting. I also have the link to my Patreon where you can find further tutorials and many real-time drawing videos and painting videos. Thank you for watching and I hope you are able to take away some new skills.